Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. We're covering it again after a while of not covering it. Most of you know that I have covered Jasmy for a very long time, basically since it got listed on Coinbase in 2 years ago now. But I just wanted to do an update, all right? Because Jasmy at this point, just to do a quick introduction, it's not looking great, all right? When we're taking a look at the technicals, you can see a very strong downtrend right here. The last time it was showing some momentum was the 24th of September, so that's almost 3 weeks ago. So it's not looking great. There are some positive sides, and I know most of you who actually follow Jasmy and who know Jasmy know that the project actually does add value. Like the project, it's legit. They're really doing something. They're having trouble with communication though, still, I find at least. And there are some other things I don't like as well, but we'll just go over that, all right? So we'll do a short-term technical analysis kind of thing, and then we'll also talk a little bit more about the long-term potential of Jasmy. And is it a good hold? What should you expect from that? All of that, all right? So that's what we'll do. Briefly, before we dive into that, I do want to tell you that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, and all of the results every month are published and transparent. I'm a profitable trader, and you can see that. But apart from that, you also really become a better trader yourself with the premium group, and that's the most important part. With the traders chat room and with my trading guides, you can actually learn how to trade for yourself. So if you're interested in that, consider joining. Now onto Jasmy. So technically, like I said, I mean, Jasmy, it's not looking great. It's now finding a little bit of support on top of 0.31 cents. But it looks likely, like at this point of time, there's no indication that Jasmy will rally up. Like the momentum, the open interest actually was pretty great Monday. So here the open interest actually was fine, but now if you take a look at the open interest, for example, over the last month, you can see that it has decreased significantly. The last time it was still quite high was right here, so with this bullish momentum, but now this basically means that there's no momentum. So if this starts to increase, which is possible because one of the main partners of Jasmy is DWF Labs, which is a market maker, if you don't know, and they have a bit of a history that some coins that they're partnered with rally. So for Jasmy, that's one of the positive things. Like a rally for Jasmy is always a possibility. Just at this point of time, it doesn't look most likely. It looks way more likely that Jasmy will stay in this range between 0.31 and 0.33 cents, but that eventually, since the most likely scenario for Bitcoin is more bearish momentum, that eventually Jasmy will drop down lower towards the levels around 0.3 cents, and this level right here at 2,950, if you know what I mean. So on the short term, it's not looking great for Jasmy. If anything changes, like if the open interest and the volume start going up, so if Jasmy gains momentum, I'll make a new video, because then something like this is a possibility. Like I said, it always is a possibility. It just isn't right now, not on the short term. So this is what I expect most likely on the short term. Now, a little bit about if Jasmy is a long-term good hold or not. I have mixed opinions on that, all right? In terms of total supply and circulating supply, I would say Jasmy is one of the best ones out there. But in terms of the project and what it is about and what they're doing and their communication with non-Japanese holders, they're really missing something, I think, at least. All right, Jasmy does a lot of great things, but they lack some sort of a way to communicate that easily to the holders, all right? Because a lot of things that they're doing are difficult to understand. Like the average crypto holder would probably not understand it without doing some real research. And you need a way to explain that to the masses, right? To everybody, to the entirety of retail. You need to explain that. You need to tell people the circulating supply is 98%. That's great. There's no token inflation. You need to tell people, all right? Otherwise, it's not getting out there. So sure, Jasmy has potential. It doesn't help them that it's down a lot since the top right here. I know that all the circulating supply has been brought into circulation, and that's one of the main reasons. I know, still doesn't look great. So does Jasmy have potential? Yes, but they do need to change some things. So that's my take on it. For now, if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great day, and bye.